Hey, do you know what's growing in your pantry? Stick around. Hey, last year's pandemic, lockdowns, and civil uncertainty caused a lot of people to go out and do some panic shopping. They were lined up at Lowe's, Costco, and their local grocery stores buying everything they could get their hands on. So now, a year later, a lot of that food is probably still sitting in your pantries. This video is just a public service announcement to tell you to check your expiration dates. There's a lot of food that you bought last year that's still lingering in your pantry or under your bed or in a closet, and a lot of that food is starting to go bad. Use it up while you still can. Be aware some foods are still good long after their expiration date. Some foods are not. So take the time now to research and determine what foods you have that are expired and whether or not you can still use them. Recently I found a number of canned goods in my pantry that were recently expired or about to expire. So I set some time aside on an afternoon and I started preparing all that food. I cooked it up, made some of our favorite recipes, and then I packaged it for the freezer. Now that it's in the freezer, I've extended the shelf life of that food another 6 to 12 months. And I've got some convenient pre-made foods that I can use at a moment's notice. Hey, as a prepper, whether you're experienced or not, make sure you check those expiration dates before you open up that next can of beans and serve it to your family. Let this video serve as a reminder to go check those expiration dates. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any future content that I'm coming out with this week. Also, while you're here, go ahead and click on a couple of these links right here. I think you're going to enjoy what I've got to share, and I'll see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.